Welcome back with another scan with Meta Hyperscape. This time we are in Stuttgart and we scan this building. Okay, now let's start the scan. So this is the location. It's pretty cool. And yeah, it's a nice location. It was sunny, as you can see here from the shadow. And you're even able to go up to the stairs. You can also see part of the view from here and from there. So it's pretty cool. Again, try to go back. And unfortunately, the scan had some issues at the beginning. So when you join the scan, you will find yourself here. So there is a workaround. You basically have to teleport here and then you aim as much high as possible. You see here. And then you are out of the woods. As you understood by now, when you start over there. So the important thing at the beginning is to teleport as far as possible. So usually you are over there, and if you use the teleportation, you can actually decide if you're going to get closer or far away, and you can also aim higher. So that's how I managed to escape from there. And if you want to try this scan, in the description of this video, I added the link. So you can give it a try and let me know what you think. And if you are a member of my channel, I will publish a vlog soon. See you!